Hey everyone, I'm Said and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna solve more integral problems because integrals are one of the most important topics in math. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. Let's go. Number 1. If the following integral holds, the integral of 5x squared plus 6x over 2 the square root of x dx equals f of x times the square root of x plus c, determine the function f of x. To make the integration easier, we first split the fraction and convert the radical into a fractional power, means the square root of x equals x to the power of 1/2. So we have the integral of 5x squared plus 6x over 2 times x to the power of 1/2 dx. Now apply the laws of exponents, means x to the power of a over x to the power of b equals x to the power of a minus b. So we have the integral of 5 over 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1/2 x to the power of 3 over 2 dx plus the integral of 6 over 2 is 3 times x over x to the power of 1/2 equals x to the power of 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2 dx, right? So we use the power rule, means 5 over 2 times the integral of x to the power of 3 over 2 equals 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 plus 3 times 1 over 1/2 plus 1 equals 3 over 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. So we have equals 5 over 2 times 3 over 2 plus 1 equals 5 over 2. 1 over 5 over 2 equals 2 over 5x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 equals 5 over 2 plus 3 times 1 over 3 over 2 equals 2 over 3x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c equals, the coefficients cancel out nicely, so we have x to the power of 5 over 2 plus 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. The problem states the result in the form f of x times the square root of x plus c. Let's factor out the square root of x, which is x to the power of 1/2 times x to the power of 5 over 2 divided by x to the power of 1/2 is x to the power of 5 over 2 minus 1/2 equals x to the power of 4 over 2 or x squared, right? Plus 2 times x to the power of 3 over 2 divided by x to the power of 1/2 equals x to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1/2 equals x to the power of 2 over 2 or x, or x squared plus 2x times the square root of x. By comparing these to f of x times the square root of x, we find f of x equals x squared plus 2x. Number 2, given that the integral of x squared minus 2x plus 5 over x minus 1 whole squared dx equals x squared plus f of x over x minus 1 plus c. Find the expression for f of x. A clever way to solve this is to rewrite the numerator in terms of x minus 1. Notice that x squared minus 2x plus 1 is perfect square, means x minus 1 whole squared. So x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 equals x minus 1 squared plus 4, right? So we have the integral of x squared minus 2x plus 5 over x minus 1 squared dx equals the integral of x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 4 over x minus 1 squared dx equals the integral of x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals x minus 1 squared plus 4 over x minus 1 squared dx, right? So if we split the fraction, we have x minus 1 squared over x minus 1 squared equals the integral of 1 dx plus the integral of 4 over x minus 1 squared, or 4 times x minus 1 to the power of negative 2 dx. Now integration term by term. We have the integral of 1 dx equals x plus 4 times, if we use the power rule, means 1 over negative 2 plus 1 times x minus 1 to the power of negative 2 plus 1 plus c. We have x plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. So negative 4 times x minus 1 to the power of negative 1 equals 4 over x minus 1. Now we need to write our result as a single fraction with a denominator of x minus 1 to match the question's format. Means equals x minus 1, and the numerator is x times x minus 1 minus 4. So we have x squared minus x minus 4 over x minus 1. So comparing this to the given form, x squared plus f of x over x minus 1. So f of x equals minus x minus 4.